Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to do spell it and read it. It's important that you know your sight words so that when you see them, you can automatically read them. And you can't always sound out sight words. So we're going to practice spelling it and reading it. This will also help you with your writing with words you don't know how to spell. So let's get started. Be sure you're helping me. H, A, V, E, have. Have. S, A, I, D, said. Said. T, H, I, S, this. This. I'm not sure I'm hearing you. Be sure you're helping me. M, A, N, Y, many. Many. A, R, E, R. R. T, H, E, V. This is pronounced either the or the. The. A, N, D, and. Y, O, U, U. U. A, T, at, I, S, is. Now you're going to look for the sheet that has the EOY sight words 1. And these are the words you're going to be finding. Have, said, this, many, are, the, and, you, at, is. Okay, boys and girls, have fun on your word search.